we haven't been able to have this for the past couple of years because of COVID. It goes down, and now we get a chance to celebrate in person the success that you've accomplished here.
The first graduation in a couple of years because of COVID. We weren't able to hold graduation. Today we had 42 graduates. Some were from the previous year, but most were from graduating from this year. And the students have earned their, in fact, we had some that tested this morning so they could graduate today. And so, yeah, it's an exciting day, and it's an accomplishment that can never be taken away from them, so we're really proud of them.
The online tests are also helping a lot. If people do understand English, they understand the GED program without a doubt. Math was the most difficult for me, but I managed to finish, and I'm proud of that. That is another story of the GED program.
GED stands for General Education Diploma. It's the equivalent of a high school diploma. And so students take 4 exams in the core subjects, English and history and science and math. And if they score high enough on all 4 exams, then they earn what's called a high school equivalency or a high school diploma. It's a United States program, and it allows you admission to like 97% of colleges and universities in both the United States and in Canada. It's an adult program, so they can take it at their own rate. So we have had some students who have finished within a month. And we had a student, I'll give an example, we had a student that had a baseball scholarship waiting for him in the United States. And he came and said, can I enroll in ISA and spend a year and get my diploma? And we said, well, why don't you take GED, and you might be able to start playing in August instead of waiting a full year. And he came, he was motivated, he took all 4, like 1 exam a week, studied like crazy, took an exam a week, got some help from one of our teachers, and graduated with it. He came to us in April, graduated by mid-May, went to college in August, and started playing baseball in the United States in August in Oklahoma. So we have all kinds of stories like that. But on the other side, life happens. So some people may need work, so they may need to step away for a while, and it doesn't matter to us if it takes 1 month or 2 years or whatever it takes. We'll stay with you until you graduate. So this is not based on a failure model. This is based on whatever you need to be successful, and your own story will help you get there. It's very nice for him to join us and continue to support the program. The students pay for their exams, but the Reuben government pays for the teachers to provide the instruction. And so it's a good partnership. It started with Minister Hoiber-Winkler, continued with Minister Lampa, and now it's continuing with Minister Cruz. So we're grateful for the partnership, and it's helpful to locals, and it's for local students. It's only for local students as they go through. I just think if you hear some of the stories, this is one of the most rewarding programs I've been a part of, because in a lot of cases, students will say, this is the first time I've had hope. I struggled in school, or I had challenges, but now I have hope. And then they accomplish this, graduate, and who knows where they'll go.